Hi! Every crochet project starts from foundation chain and a slipknot. So today in this video I will show you how to make it, and then you can apply it for every future crochet project. So let's go! Grab your yarn and leave a few inches for the yarn tail. Then wrap your finger with the yarn just one time like this, and then take it off from your finger, and we will begin to make a knot. So just push the working yarn through the circle and tighten it to make this loop, and this is a slip knot. So basically we're gonna do it again one more time slowly. So wrap your fingers with the yarn once, take it off, and then push working yarn from the back and tighten it just like that, and you have your slip knot as a loop. So this would be as our first stitch. Just insert your hook into the loop, tighten it a little bit more, and now we're gonna start working on the foundation chain. So we just gonna repeat the same few steps. Here it is. We're gonna wrap the hook with the working yarn, something like this, and pull a loop. One more time. Wrap around and pull a loop. One more. We're gonna yarn over and pull a loop. So basically this is making chain, and it is called foundation chain because it's like a beginning, the first row, first chain of our project. So here it goes. Yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over and pull a loop. So basically these two steps, and you are working your foundation chain, as many chains as you need for the project. Practice this for a few times and happy crocheting! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!